This is a simple and fast review of the BATWAYPRO replacement battery for the 20-volt Black+Decker. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get these out of the box, please know it's a 2-pack, and they are 20-volt lithium 4.0 AH. Pretty standard. Should be one of these, similar look and feel. And again, it's a 2-pack, so they are identical. So they look like the Black+Decker 20-volt, so we'll go ahead and test them out for power, and I'll just show you one working as we go there, and we'll take it from there. All right, so simple example here, taking a Black+Decker 20-volt drill, swapping out the Black+Decker battery, putting this in, runs perfect, no concerns whatsoever. Also note that with the charger, it is charges perfectly, so definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.